How to fix websites not working when NordVPN connected. After a successful connection, you might not be able to reach some or all websites. There are a few things you could try to fix this issue. 1. Try switching between a few different servers. 2. Try switching from UDP to TCP in the app settings. 3. If you know and trust the website you're trying to access, turn off the CyberSEC feature in the app settings and try again. If you can access the site with CyberSEC off, please inform NordVPN customer support agents about it. 4. Your antivirus/firewall may be blocking the access. If you suspect that may be the case, add exceptions for NordVPN.exe and NordService.exe on Windows to your antivirus/firewall applications. 5. Try other connection methods, such as OpenVPN Manual or IKF2. Different connection methods have different network configurations. 6. If you have recently installed NordVPN app, try restarting your device. Additionally, you may check NordVPN troubleshooting tutorial. If you're still experiencing this issue after all these steps, get in touch with NordVPN customer support for help.